Truck's back there. I almost made it out. I almost did. So the gas pickup was parked in the field so that I could get out. My plow truck I left at my mom's place up the road because I can't plug it in, being as the whole off-grid thing, and came across the field and down the road allowance over the winter road that we built, and it was passable right till the end. There were sketchy spots that I had to ram jam through there, but I made it right until the end. And then I didn't. So what I have to do now, I gotta walk a quarter mile down this sheltered road allowance, and then I need to turn and I need to walk a quarter mile across that field. I don't know if you'll see on the camera the shadow of the dump trailer out there. And then I need to walk a quarter mile across the frozen pond and up towards the house. What happened was we got stranded a couple weeks ago. So the plow broke, big storm hit, blew us in, and it was bad. And because of the high banks on the side of the driveway, which you guys have seen building up in my other videos, I could not push snow out. So with the help of my old man, we built an ice road. So you can see he went with a snowmobile and dragged some tires, and that got it good enough that I could use the ATV and drag a piece of wood initially and then the back rack off the pickup. But now I gotta walk a quarter mile across this field. That part I'm not looking forward to so much, to be honest with you. That's where we gotta go, out to the end of that field. And I would walk 500 miles. Walk them all right through the snow. Hey, Katie got the quad going. Holy cow, guys. She got it unstuck over there. I can see headlights. I don't know if I stop moving, if you can see her. That's gonna shorten my walk, guys. It's gonna take a good 1/8 of a mile off at this point. Oh, what a beautiful thing. What a wonderful woman. Caitlin's awesome. Oh, hi.
Cold.
What's that?
It's cold.
It's a little bit cold. You wanna go shovel the truck out or you wanna go home?
I can try and help.
No, we'll go home.
Okay.
We'll go back. Hold the camera. Film stuff.
Okay. We're not gonna get through that drift, eh?
I know, we gotta walk that.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry for bringing you out here. I forgot about it. Yeah, right on getting the quad out. Yeah, right here is probably 18 inches deep, but you can almost, yeah, you can walk right on top.
As tall as you are.
That's amazing. Final stretch. Up the hill, down the hill, across the pond, to grandmother's house we go. Hey Katie, do you see Swiper?
Fuck Swiper.
Home stretch. Alright guys, we made it. We're alive. Katie's nuts. That's all for now. That's what we're up to. Hope you guys are staying warm and staying safe. Cheers.